Hey, what's up, guys? Beer Talk with Kyle and Joe here. I'm Kyle,
What's going on, guys? I'm Joe.
and we want to get in front of you here, make a little video. A lot of our viewers have been asking a lot of questions outside of beards. What are some of the things that we're into? And we want to go ahead and give a shout out to a group of guys that we really love. So we want to go ahead and give a shout out to the Covino and Rich show. Now, if you're not familiar with Covino and Rich, they're a radio show. They have had a national radio show for over 16 years. They've recently taken their show to the Patreon app, and we want to go ahead and give them a huge shout out and throw them some support.
Yeah. And Covino and Rich was actually introduced to me by Kyle. Kyle got me hooked right away and said, Joe, you really got to listen to these guys. They put out amazing content. They'll make you laugh, and you'll just be very entertained. And yeah, Kyle was absolutely right. And it's really safe to say that the Covino and Rich show was a big inspiration to how Kyle and myself run our current stream that you can find on our YouTube channel called Beards Life and Everything in Between. We are, again, just really inspired by what they do and really wanted to apply a lot of that to our beard content and to a lot of the shenanigans that you see on our stream.
Right, definitely. Listening to Covino and Rich over the years, it's like a family. They have Facebook pages, just a ton of stuff like that, just like the bearded community. So a lot of our viewers are asking us what are some of the things that we're into. We really think that, Covino and Rich, that radio show that they're doing every single day, could be something that you're into as well. So it's Covino and Rich, and then their producer Spot. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and, of course, obviously, we want to give them a huge shout out. We want to support them. We will go ahead and throw the link to their Patreon page in the description below. So if that's something you want to check out and sign up for, you can go ahead and do so. Like I said, Joe and I listen all the time. It's something that we look forward to, and they really inspire us. So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you can check that out and throw them some support, and then find some extra entertainment in your life. But again, guys, just a short video. That's all that we had for you today. But as always, keep it growing.
And we'll talk to you at the next one. Cousins out.